Some say the world began with a ray of light, which breaks through darkness to convey the message of beings. Some say the world changes by the power of electricity, which carries energy and drives progress of human civilization. Etern Group, driving full growth through photonics-electronics convergence, PEC. Against the backdrop of the national drive to develop new infrastructure, Etern implements the national strategy of enhancing national power through digital technology, while actively driving digital transformation along the whole industry chain. To address optic communications monopoly in the international market, Etern drives innovation along the whole industry chain, covering integrated preform fiber cable, optical chips, devices, modules, and system integration. Our fiber communication products are widely deployed in data centers, consumer ends, intelligent driving, digital communications networks, optical fiber networks, among others. Our optical devices and modules are deployed in national backbone and intercity optical fiber networks, mobile base station fronthaul, and broadcasting optical networks. Building on development of underlying materials and chips technology, as well as device and module processing, Etern intends to help drive the national digital network construction, so as to drive the digital transition of the whole society and the high-quality socio-economic growth. In line with the national carbon peaking and carbon neutrality strategy, Etern follows a green-driven path while focusing on new energy transfer business, complemented by businesses in multiple sectors. We continue to focus on new energy automotive industry, providing professional vehicle wiring manufacturing services integrating design, development, testing, and mass production. We will continue to make technological breakthroughs as we innovate on smart energy technologies and fully support sustainable development of the country's wind power and other new energy sectors. We accelerate the superconducting power transmission commercialization process and localize production of key equipment to fill the technological gap in China. We are also ready to provide new solutions to meet power supply needs in superscale urban areas with high workload demands. We are laying down a solid foundation for future technological development, such as controlled nuclear fusion and superconducting heating, as we constantly drive the industrialization process of high-temperature superconducting sector. As a pioneer in expanding overseas markets, we have provided power construction services in multiple countries for over 2 decades, and have led the drive to export China's industrial capacity to BRI countries. In recent years, Etern has explored new business modes to provide comprehensive high-quality power system integration and PV energy services in different regions across the world. Focusing on power and new energy, Etern remains committed to building a green and eco-friendly environment. Our business began with power cable. We grow with the PV technology and then merge into digital communication. As the first listed private company in China's optical cable sector and one of the top 500 private companies in China, Etern believes in serving the country by building a strong industry and closely connects our business growth with CSR. We drive growth through innovation and actively participate in the development of national, industry, and group standards. Building on our IP, we are creating a strong brand name. We believe business integrity provides the solid foundation for unlimited possibilities. We work to build a global industry layout and enhance our comprehensive competitiveness, so as to contribute our bit to the realization of the Chinese dream. To drive full growth through PEC, Etern is always at your service.